Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be learning how to create UGC videos for faceless TikTok channels. So if you've just been approved as a TikTok affiliate and you have problems getting samples or you are too broke to get samples, this is a good place to start. So first things you're going to do is to head on to TikTok and search for a tech product. So this method works pretty well for tech products. So what you're going to do is to search for a product. So for this example, we're going to search for the pet litter box. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. Alright, now that it has loaded, what we're going to do is to open up, and then we are going to take a screenshot of a particular scene we want, and then we go further to edit it.
Here's what happens if your kitty goes pee in the pet pivot.
Okay. Alright, so we're just going to take a screenshot of this place. Alright. So where it shows a hand and the product is where we are going to take. Right. So let's save this. If you don't have it, it's good you use this is a plugin. This is a screenshot plugin. Right.
The automatic scoop.
Okay. So next up, we're going to head to Gemini. So let's go on to gemini.com. Okay, this is one I was making last night. Right, I was in production for this. Okay, so let's head on to new chart, and then we are going to add the screenshot we've just downloaded. So screenshot 9:15. This is the most recent screenshot. Right, and then what we're going to do is to say okay, change the background, to a cozy living room. We also need to remove the play button. Remove the play button. Okay, change the cup to red. Change the hand, okay, let's not change the hand, let's add tattoos to the hand. Add tattoos to the hand, and then we hit enter. Alright, so we're waiting for it to load up and edit this image for us. Alright, so it's generating the image. Okay, so here we go. So as you can see, we've changed the background, we've added tattoos to the hand, we've changed the cup, the poop is still here, and then the mat, so you can equally ask it to change the mat. So next up now is to download it. Okay, so now that we've had it downloaded, we're now going to head to Google Lab Flow. This is where we're going to use the view 3 method. Okay, so it's currently on view 3. So we're going to do frames to video. Oh, sorry, I need to get a new project. So new project. And then we do frames to video. Let's add it. So let's upload the image we've downloaded. Gemini generate 918. Okay. All right. So we will need to change it to portrait, and then that is it. All right. So now that it is loaded, we're going to ask it to let a cat enter. So we say let a fluffy orange or black cat, orange cat walk slowly into the litter box. Alright. So for this, you don't need any camera movement. It's just going to be still camera. So you leave the camera out of it. Alright, so let's just wait for it to load up and see the outcome of it. Alright, so our video is ready and let's play it. Okay, so that didn't come out well. Okay, so let's run it again. Now let's a fluffy orange cat walk slowly into the litter box from the left. Yeah, from the left. Let's see what this can give us this time. Alright, so our video is ready. Let's play it and see. Right, you see this came out correct. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is to download it. So let's download and edit out. Let the fluffy cut. So let me, this is one I've done previously. Alright, this is a black cat. Okay, and then let's see other videos we've done. So let it load up. Okay, so let's play other videos we've done. So using the same method, we've done something.
Have
like
you ever
this
seen
as
a light
well.
bulb that's also a security camera? And this was the perfect solution for my
Alright.
home because it screws right into the light socket. And you can even use this security camera indoors or outdoors. When you tug down on it, it'll grow an inch. You can rotate it any
something this video. Alright, so let's exit and still come back. If you still want more results, let me show you one more result. Okay, so this is the same method I used for a skincare, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's create a new project now that you've seen that, and then we're going to import. This is it, right? Let it fluffy cut 925. Yes, this is it. So we're just going to drag it onto the timeline, and yeah, okay, it has loaded finally. So to avoid being detected by TikTok's algorithm, what you're going to do is to just slide it in a bit, and then let's play and see. So you can see the VO watermark and the Gemini watermark are gone, right? And then you have it, you have a product video. So that's just basically it. Kindly comment if you have any problem. Please leave it in the comments and we'll attend to it. Thanks for watching. So you can export, and that's it. So you simply upload, export as 2K. Frame rate should be 60 frame rate per second, and then yeah, so you're just going to make it a POV on TikTok. So when uploading, just put a POV. You've just POV, I got the viral pet litter box, and that's it. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Bye.